welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to try out a claw clip hairstyle. I have been seeing it all around TikTok and I wanted to try it on my hair, and I didn't know how to, but I came across this TikTok here and I wanted to try it on my hair. So in today's video, we're going to try a claw clip hairstyle on my hair. So here I have two claw clips and I don't know which one to use, but this one is so cute. So I blow dried my hair I think 5 days ago, so my hair is still a bit stretched, and that's how I like it. So yes. So it's already in the middle part. That's great. This is really my favorite mousse, this and the one by Olive Oil. I'll place a photo, but I love those mousse so much. So this will help to lay my hair flat. Brush, brush, brush. To make it lay even flatter, more flatter, I'm going to put some edge control, and I'm going to use the one by Keisha collection. So yeah, this is my hair. So I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer for I think 15 minutes, and I'm going to come back. I sat under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. I did some makeup, yes, but my hair feels dry, so we're going to undo them. Ooh, sleek. Oh my god, it's so sleek. Now for the claw clip, I'm going to use this one because it's so cute. It's a koala bear. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair, put it like this, and then that. So cute.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. I actually love the results. I love how it turned out, like the cute claw clip. I look so cute, you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, make sure to smash the like button, make sure to subscribe down below, and make sure to comment down below what you think of this hairstyle. And see you in my next video. Bye.